Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to look at how to set a limit buy and limit sell as well. So before we dive into this, if this is the first time coming across to this amazing channel, do it subscribe, like our videos, share our videos so that a lot of people can gain value from this amazing content. All you just need to do right now is to stick strictly from the beginning to the end of this very video, so that by the end of this very video you will be able to understand how to set a buy and sell limit. So let's quickly dive into that without waste of time. So all you just need to do is to always make a choice of a particular coin you wish to trade. Okay, so maybe we're gonna go into look at into FF coin. Do you know why? Because FF coin has been showing a lot of strong move, but where it is now, I wouldn't want to engage. So I'll look for another coin. Okay, I'll look for another coin. Maybe I should still look into this K coin again. So looking at this K coin, all you just need to do is to click on buy. I do believe that a lot of us knows how to buy and sell cryptocurrency now, because I've dropped a lot of videos that talk about how to buy and also how to sell cryptocurrency coin. So without waste of time, we're gonna go into click on buy. If you click on buy, navigate yourself right here to click to choose limit. Okay, to choose limit. This is where the matter is. Okay, if you choose limit, this shows the current price of the cryptocurrency coin, of this particular cryptocurrency coin called K. This is also equal to this. They are the same thing here, right? So all you just need to do now is to choose when do you want to enter this particular trade. When exactly you want to involve in this particular trade. Okay, you can now say, okay, I want to involve in this particular trade when this particular volume is equal to 0.06, for example. Okay, for example, you choose something lesser than this, that this is where you want to join the trade. So if you set a limit at this 0.0662, it will wait on the order until when this particular volume drop to this volume. Okay, if this particular volume or this particular volume drop to this volume, then your trade will be executed. It's what we call the limit buy. Okay, we call this the limit buy. All right, so this is how it works. I'm gonna go to this place now and delete this particular price to 662. This is what I wish to buy. I'll now come to this place now to impute the volume, how much you want to use to trade this particular coin when it get down to 0.0662. I will now say, okay, I want to use 10 USD when it get down to this 0.002. Okay, so do not forget to set your stop loss. All right, I won't be setting it now though, but do not forget to set your stop loss. I've made a video about this stop loss and I'm going to drop the link at the description section for you so that you can watch. Okay, so clicking on this place, I will now come to this place now to click on buy. If I click on buy, watch carefully to see what will happen down here in the order book. Okay, so if I click on buy, now I have clicked on buy. Now it will show me the review. Okay, showing me that the order price that I wish to buy this particular cryptocurrency coin is 0.0662 and the orders quantity is 151. That is how much I will get after investing 10 USD at the volume of 0.0662. Then the order value is 10,000 USD. It's 10 USD, sorry. Then the stop and loss is what I have not set. Okay, the take profit is what I have also not set. So you're gonna go into click on buy. So after clicking on buy, you will notice that yes, something pop up here. So this one that is now available here now is what we call the limit order. Okay, now you can see it's here. Do you know why it's here at the order? Yes, I have ordered. Yes, but the trade is not yet executed. Okay, the trade is not yet executed, right? So it will wait or hold on here quietly until when this particular trade got to the particular volume I wish to buy, then this trade will be executed. And I can also come to this place to modify this particular order. Maybe, okay, I have a change of mind, and I wish now to trade this particular coin at the current price here. Yes, I'll come to this place to modify it, or I'll first cancel it and buy it at this particular volume. Okay, this is actually very simple but technical. Okay, so whatever you're doing, watch it carefully so that you can understand what exactly you're doing. Okay, this is a limit buy. Okay, so now want to do the limit sell. All right, want to do the limit sell. So all you just need to do is to just follow the same procedure. Now I want to sell this particular coin. When this particular coin is this is 0.01 or 11, right? Now you look at it. I want to sell this particular coin when this particular coin is 0.011. I will now come to this place to impute my volume, how much I have. Now looking at this place, you know that yes, this is how much I have. I have 650.3759 thousand of this particular K coin. I've imputed here. Now it will now show me that okay, if this particular trade gets to the volume I wish to sell, I will make 72, which is 22 USD in profit. Okay, which is 22 USD in profit. You can see here. And how much I used to buy was 50 USD. You can see that I'll be gaining irrational profit. So by the time this trade got to that particular place, even though I'm not online or even though I don't have data, it's going to go into execute the trade. So the next time I'm just going to do like right here is to click on this particular cell. Okay, so the moment I click on particular cell, it's going to still show me my review. Okay, so everything will be reviewed here. As you all know, the price order will show here. This is the price I wish to sell. Okay, this is the price I wish to sell. Now the quantity order, this is the quantity I wish to sell, or this is the quantity that I have to sell. Then what will be my order's value? 72, of which don't not forget I use 50, and now I'm getting 72. Okay, so the stop and the take profit and stop loss will show here, and also the order price. Okay, so this is actually very easy and simple. All right, it's actually very easy and simple, but all you just need to do is to pay attention carefully. All right, so this is exactly how to perform your buy order limits and also the sell order limits without waste of time. All right, so thank you so much for watching. This will like brings me to the end of this very video. Do not forget to subscribe, like the videos, and also share the video so that a lot of people can gain value from this amazing content. All right, so thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next class. Bye.